If your window panes are loose in the frame, securing them with new putty or glazing points can save you a lot of headache and keep your windows strong and draft-free. Okay, so first off, grab some glazing points from the hardware store. They look like tiny metal triangles and help hold the glass in place better than just old putty. Next, clean out any old, cracked putty around the pane with a putty knife to make sure the new stuff sticks well. Carefully press the glazing points into the frame around the glass, spacing them evenly so everything stays tight. Then, roll your glazing putty into thin ropes and press it firmly around the edges of the glass to seal it in place. Use a putty knife to smooth it out so it looks neat and keeps water from sneaking in. Let the putty dry for several days before you touch or paint it. Patience here really pays off. If you notice any gaps or cracks after a while, just add a bit more putty to keep everything sealed tight. This simple fix can stop drafts, reduce noise, and prevent water damage without needing to replace the whole window. One of the biggest mistakes people make when fixing loose window panes is skipping the cleaning step. Old putty and dirt can stop new putty from sticking properly, causing it to crack or fall out fast. Another common issue is not using enough glazing points or placing them too far apart, which means the glass isn't held securely and can wobble or even fall out. Lastly, rushing to paint over the new putty before it fully dries traps moisture and weakens the seal, leading to peeling and gaps. To fix these, always scrape old putty off completely before starting. Space your glazing points every 6 to 8 inches around the pane, and wait at least a week for putty to cure before painting. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know what they are doing, especially for window repairs like this. Plus, if you are a contractor looking for work, it's a great place to connect with people who really need your skills and want reliable help.